Ese cuerpito que tú tienes, el traje de baño chiquitito te queda. Esa blanquita con el sol y de una ya se pone morena.
I literally just unfolded it, one step rapid deploy, and it was ready to film. And even when I moved fast or stepped back, the Deep Track 4.0 stayed locked on me, even while zooming. And everything I used was already built in. The tripod, selfie stick, power bank, and mirror. It's all in one. This is the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro.
I'm lost inside your world. You got that symphony, like tattoo, tattoo, tattoo. If you like me, blink twice. Are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice. If you're tryna roll the dice, let me give you some advice. If you like me, blink twice. He's not even thinking about me. Maybe he's just looking at me.
Tara, pili ka. Left or right? Tough choice. Bakit hindi pareho? Nag-crave kasi ako pero di ako makadecide sa dalawang cravings ko. Yung classic cheesy goodness at yung bold savory flavor. Ah, kaya pala cranky ka. Dapat pala may craving survival kit ka. Gaya ng ano? Patient?
Hindi, gaya nito.
Yung bias mo original cheesy yung burger.
Alam mo na, cheesy, beefy, langap sarap with that classic yum sauce.
Pwede. Pero nakikrave kasi ako sa bagong bias wrecker ko na special cheesy yung burger.
Still the beefy, langhap sarap patty with creamy cheese. Now level it up with crunchy pickle, chopped onions, and ketchup.
So minsan gusto mo ng bold, savory, at tasty. Yung may kick. Oo, pero minsan naman, yung cheesy and classic. Either way, cheesy at beefy pa rin. Original or special. Ang bias at ang bias wrecker na magsasatisfy sa cravings mo. Wala palang problema kahit dalawang cravings mo eh. Basta may cheesy yung burger. Craving solved.
But my mama told me it's alright. You were dancing through the lightning strikes. Sleepless in the onyx night. But now the sky is open light. Oh,
Grabe init to, be.
Saya rin no? Di ko na kailangan ng alarm clock kasi pawis agad yung pampagising ko.
Morning, ma. Himala, ang aga mo nagising.
Ikaw ba naman po pagpawisan habang tulog eh?
Eh di sana tinabi mo sa higaan mo yung electric fan. Saan ka na naman pupunta, Chi?
Ma naman, dyan lang po kala Aling Bea.
Mainit, magdala ka ng payong.
Ma? Kaya ko na po to.
Oh, ang bilis mo naman. Napakainit sa labas. Nanonuntok.
Parang bigla po ako naluto, ma. Dito na lang po ako sa bahay.
Nag-try nga ako mag-makeup kanina kasi wala lang, makeup therapy. Pero imbes na sobrang latino yung masabi ko, tapos sobrang init na, sobrang lagkit na. Nakakaloka ha. Oh, may buko juice pala tayo. Pahingi nga ako ate. Parang may kulang nga eh. Totoo ate. Ininom nyo agad yan eh hindi ko pa nga nalalagyan yan ng Alaska Classic Evaporated Milk.
O diba? From buko juice, na-level up into homemade sa malamig na may Alaska Classic Evaporated Milk. Real milk ito kaya creamy talagang resulta. Perfect na perfect ngayong summer.
Sobrang sarap ma. Kaya pala lasang-lasa yung gatas kasi gatas nga talaga. Mauubos ko yata yung isang pitcher pero ewan ko ba? Seryoso ba? Hot kasi ako. Tara na ma, iwanan natin yan. Tara. Look. Ma! Lang, inom pa kayo, marami pa sa ref.
Level up your fruit juice at isa malamig mo na yan with Alaska Classic Evaporated Filled Milk. Add to cart na!
in the silence of the morning.
A girl with a beautiful face inside a beautiful cafe? Emma! Noong March 30, I went to the grand opening of the beautiful Bahay Flower and Cafe at the second floor Adobe Building, Parcal Mall, Asiana City. First thing that I've noticed, the whole ambience is very cozy and nice, breathtaking interior, very spacious yung place, and I was greeted with a lot of cute and elegant flowers. The program went smooth, nagkaroon ng ribbon cutting, owner made a speech, then nagkaroon din ng interview session with the content creators, kasama na ako ron. I had the chance to taste their pastries, the white flour cake, which is very soft and moist. It really melts in my mouth, plus it complements the fruits. The red velvet cake, which is very creamy and rich in flavor. And last but not the least, the mango moist cake. There's an aftertaste wherein it's pretty flavorful and heavenly. All the cakes are not too sweet, which I really appreciate, and lahat ng mga to bagay na bagay partner sa mga drinks na meron sila such as tea, coffee, and frappe. Aside from the cafe itself, you can also buy artificial flowers here. Amazing lang na everything looks realistic to the point na kahit sa malayo, kala mo totoong mga bulaklak sila. Pwede ka rito magpa-arrange, bumili ng per stem, and kahit mag-sightseeing lang. Overall, I just love the vibe of this cafe and would come back here not just because of the aesthetic but also because of the food and flowers. Now for the exciting part, screenshot this video plus the code BBFCROS as proof na pinanood nyo tong video na to, tapos ipakita nyo sa Beautiful Bahay Flower and Cafe, and you can enjoy a free slice of premium Korean cake with a minimum purchase of 500 pesos on drinks and pastries. And that's it for this video. Enjoy and eat well. Yun lang, bye!
Gotta get you cause you know just what I like. I like my girls need some fun. One plus the nine. I ain't get me going, might just blow it. I like my girls pretty in the face. Art is the frame. Mona Lisa, yeah, I need you. I like my girls looking just like a painting. Don't need no validation. Pretty some fun. One plus the nine. I ain't get me going, might just blow it. I like my girls.
Never been this deep, so dive right in. These curves make it hurt, hurt, hurt. I'm worth all the work, work, work. I know. Step, step, step. It's gonna keep it full all day. Step in my new bikini, heads turning when they see me, keeping it ocean breezy. Yeah, 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 yeah. Might wanna be me, baby. Come over here and see me strut in my new bikini. Yeah, yeah. Just like that, just like that. You like that? Step in my new bikini, heads turning when they see me, keeping it ocean breezy. Yeah, 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 yeah. Sky is not just a
Alam mo ma'am, naalala ko sa'yo yung auntie ko. Laging iniisip yung mga mahal sa buhay kahit malayo. Wow! Talaga? Bakit? Anong kwento ng auntie mo? Yung auntie Celine ko, OFW siya. Never nakalimutan na alagaan ako kahit nasa malayo siya. Lalong-lalo na namatay yung mga magulang ko. Dana, sakit. Sobra. Hindi ko pa rin matanggap na wala na ang iyong nanay at tatay. Bilis ang pangyayari. Nalulungkot ako para sa'yo. Para sa ating lahat. Pero, promise, uuwi ako. Pinayagan ako ng boss ko na mag-leave ng 3 linggo. Kahit pa paano, gusto ko maramdaman mo na may kasama ka. Laban lang tayo ha. Salamat po, auntie. Nandito ako. Nandito kami. Hindi namin kayo pababayaan. Sorry, auntie, hindi ko mapigilang umiyak. Naiisip ko pa rin na wala na sila mama. Wala na rin mag-aalaga sa amin. Dana, alam mo naman nandito lang ako at mahal na mahal po kayo. Malapit na ako makauwi at masasamahan kayo sa buro at lalo na sa paghatid sa mama at papa niyo. Hintayin mo ako ha? Opo, auntie. Thank you po talaga. I would describe auntie as someone who's fierce and walang inuurungan. Bakit ka umiiyak? Ano nangyari? Naaksidente ka ba? May nangyari ba? May masakit sa'yo? O baka naman may nagpaiyak sa'yo? Sino yan? May nagsabi sa akin na ulila raw po ako. Anong ulila? Hindi ka ulila, nandito ako. Never ko raw po ulit ma-experience yung may mga magulang na nag-aalaga ng anak. Dana! Po, magulang mo ko. Simula nang dumating ka sa akin, magulang mo na ako kaya huwag kang magpapa-apekto sa mga sinasabi nila. Okay? Kahit fierce at walang inuurungan yun, sobrang soft-hearted niya pagdating sa pamilya. Inuubo ka na naman, Dana. Wala to, auntie. Huwag na po kayo mag-alala.
Ay nako, huwag mo naman kalimutan na palaging uminom ng tubig. Uminom ka ba ng gamot para sa ubo?
Apo, umiinom po ako ng Solmux para makatulong sa ubo ko.
Thank you, Auntie. Buti na lang po nandyan kayo. Ay nako, kahit kailan. Ako bahala sa'yo. Si Auntie, laging sinisigurado na handa kami sa sakit. Kahit wala siya, nandyan pa rin yung alaga. She put her life on hold, sacrificing her own dreams, desires, and comfort to provide for us.
Tulad niyo, she's been there through our ups and downs. Hindi naging hadlang yung pagiging malayo niya para maalagaan kami. Tapos alam niyo ba? She shaped me into someone who can stand up for myself and she taught me a lot of things. For years of being an OFW, ang dami niya naging sakripisyo para sa amin and I am very grateful for that. Inalagaan, hindi pinabayaan, binigyan ng atensyon, tinuruan, minahal bilang anak niya. Oh my gosh. Grabe pala ang sakripisyo ng Auntie Celine mo para sa inyo. Ang tatag niya. At bilib ako sa kanya na siya palang nag-alaga sa inyo na wala mga magulang mo. To be compared to her is such a compliment, Dana. Opo, Ma'am. Grabe yung sakripisyo, alaga at pagmamahal ni Auntie Celine sa amin. And I know she's very proud of me for being so strong. Kasi nakita niya kung paano ako nadapa ng ilang beses but still managed to stand up and continue life despite all the things that happened to me. I know na masaya siya by looking at me, watching me grow up as someone like her. I'll be forever thankful for her kasi kung wala siya, hindi ko na alam kung saan ako pupulutin. My Auntie Celine is my role model in life. Alagang auntie talaga po kami ng pamilya. At ito rin po ang alagang Unilab story ko kasi habang nasa Malay si auntie, sinisiguro niya na may mga gamot at vitamins kami parati na gawa ng Unilab. Thank you for sharing that, Dana. You made me cry. Naku, inuubo po kayo. Ito po ang gamot. Inumin niyo po para makatulong po sa ubo niyo. Salamat.